No, you put your blurt not put it on that. And you will see. This is this is England and cold. Put in your blurt not. Me name is banana pat. Fred. Right. Please let me start recording. Let's put it down. This is like baptizing in cold water. No, next one. Put it in your face. I'll see about that before next too. No. Please, put it in this. Where I get this? Look at this. Everything got four in there. Two girl two. In the shade. Guys, hot. But welcome back to...
not complain though.
No. Welcome back to Outdoor Cooking Adventure, England. Right, so we're going max out.
Max out fry fish,
bami, fries or chips,
French fries, and what else?
and we have one ripe plant we might have put here on the zali.
And an escovitch fish too.
Yeah.
But through so hot, we under the little umbrella
Yeah.
and sit down too. If you do the work.
Because we drained of all energy with the sun we're not used to.
We're going to use 2 fire just to hasten up things that's with us stay so long in the heat. So
Yeah.
one a wood fire go fry the chicken, the fish, hopefully. And one I go fry chips and festival.
Yeah.
And make up the little.
Yeah. And then we sit
Esco
down
beach.
eat in front of you, make on the mouth water. So right now, just cutting up the veggies.
Okay. Scrap this for yourself.
Yeah.
I want to do anyway. Everybody alright? Everybody alright? Everybody okay?
I will say that again.
One man with crime out of
Oh
Jamaica
yes,
there.
oh yeah. Everybody doing alright, everybody doing okay, but we stop watch crime. Watch only the pleasantries.
And YouTubers and what they're up to, especially if
Yeah.
they're in the Caribbean.
Anywhere in the Caribbean. You know, today I was thinking I'm missing 2 YouTubers that I used to like.
Yeah.
One is Moya's Kitchen.
Yeah.
Moya is her name?
Yeah. I think
Moya's Kitchen.
She used to go to nice places in Jamaica and
stop
eat
at
food.
different restaurants and cook spots and so on, eat
Yeah.
food and rate it. I haven't seen
Yeah.
her in a long while, so I don't know what's up. So check her out for me, please, me peeps. You know where they are Jamaica, check her out. And
well.
also Mama, one girl and her mother.
Oh,
I
Mama
think she
and
work
me.
yes, Mama and me. Me not see them with nothing. And me miss one next young, she's about 18, 19.
Shanice sing or something like
yeah.
that. Shania.
So, Shania, yeah. Couple YouTubers we used to check out regularly. We haven't seen them. Some Jamaican ones. We haven't seen those ones
But we
recently at all.
go and support the others who, you know, those who doing well and also those who need some more support.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so the pre, let me show you. The pre right now is that we're just sitting down,
Preparing the
reserving with
veggies.
energy to prepare the veggies for the fish escovitch. Then after that we're going to light the
Where we
fire.
scotch bonnet there?
See, we scotch bonnet here. We have one scotch bonnet and it only looks so guys because it was in the freezer, but it's fine.
It's
There's
okay.
nothing wrong with it. And this is kind of strange because guess what, peeps? We have a premiere.
In a few minutes. So we're going to
So we're
prep
gonna
some
prep.
things, go in for the premiere, come back out, come match out this.
Yeah, so we know we are going to on the premiere. Now I'm going to know, so we did
Anyway,
that cook
yeah,
halfway.
but we're big you up front now.
Yeah, big up on ourselves. Big up on
We're going to
ourselves,
watch the
beautiful
premiere in
peeps.
25 minutes. Which premiere or the week? Spend the week with us.
Yeah. You want the chopping board now?
Cut the ring, onion ring. And a ring in a
Alright,
cut in a half.
why you cut this on so
Can't cut.
my word. People are so no cut onion for Esco Beach.
Esco?
Beach. Put in the beach. Esco Beach.
Jamaican foods are Esco Beach.
And this is my pimento that I brought back from Jamaica. Yeah. Right, guys. Next time, no see we should be lighting the fire. Scene. Right, catch you in a few.
Let me do a review now, so I don't think it worth the money. Yeah. And we thought it would be a really nice dripping fountain, you know. But it barely just. This will stay whole or cook it up. See that now? Maybe put them here, put the onion them in this and chop it with them. Yeah. Not the whole thing, you know. Not the whole thing. But that's it. No. Much pepper. I know. Guys, we're rocking 2 fire today. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't think that one if you do say no, you're not going to push up your fire. Put 2 stone.
2 pieces of brick.
So this one I go fry fish. But I think if you put 2 brick, if you put the pan. And this one if you again, bami and so. So now go down like give away a breeze, but it smoke a kill we. Guys, you think this dangerous? Fire well big.
If I look too big, I don't care. See to the cave seat.
Show you. If I look too big, I look alright. Island already?
Island there.
So we just want it to be hot now. Then we
Land in the fish them in there and run.
And that one now is for festival and no, not festival,
fries.
sorry, fries and bami. In the meantime, guys, the other one, the wood fire, alright, you know. See there? But the other one, again, we have fight. The other one, are the coal. The piece of coconut bunker, the pan it up for catchy, but I don't know what name. Trash ox. Okay, let me fill you in on what's been happening. The wood fire light, fish start fry. The next fire, which is coal, not light yet, but we need it for Friday. Bami and some fries. I think Leisa got some wings too for the girls. But that I play up.
inside might.
Oh, she might do the wings inside, but this is the outdoor cooking part. Don't call the wings again. Sorry, me say wings, you know, in there.
Leave out the wings, my girl.
So, fries, bami, fish. That I and we'll do the escovitch sauce outside too. But the coal fire give a fight, me show you. See it?
It's nice and light. In fact, it's light.
You see fire down in it?
Yeah. That ready paper put on for me.
Sure.
Yeah.
Look like you're right, you know, so we'll put on the pot. So chicken on the fish. Not quite ready yet.
Yeah.
We want them to crispy fry. This are the where you sit near parrot fish.
Capitalize.
Parrot where nobody know why I eat me here. Most people know why I eat it. You tell what you know comments are wrong with parrot fish. But I look like when that in the go we never hear about it. But we don't know what the story is. Please highlight we. I'm not highlight. Why word? Enlighten we.
Guys, you need to check out that premiere that we just coming back from watching. It was wicked.
The garden makeover. Right now we have all the garden, well, everything out except the lounge chairs because we don't want to smoke up.
Yeah.
But everything else out and it's looking resplendent. We haven't used our Ryobi
Pressure washer
yet. But hopefully this week we'll try it out and we have become Ryobi ambassadors. So you know we said we had a little thing up our sleeve?
Yeah,
That was it. We're Ryobi ambassadors for the UK. So we'll
every now and again we'll get products to try out
and keep.
review and keep.
Yeah. Right, time to turn the fish. Right, ready. With a pop there. The pop in the eye. And see the other one there, a hot. The other old pot ready for the bamiyan fries.
So go few fries now for that. We have everything.
We'll go few fries. So the two fish, they're looking good and I think it's about time to get them out. And then put the head and tail, one big one, head and tail, in next. We're gonna take out the first two. I know how to. Make we see it now. First two out, then the head and tail going in now. Oh, alright. A 3 fish me think two. They're ready, but fish ready.
Sit down.
That frying in a joke. Just put one in there to see if you're ready, but you don't look ready. If you say if we swap them over. I think so.
Alright.
Yeah.
But I wonder too, you must fry the chicken in them. And then just make up the sauce.
Oh. I don't think if you fry it. Oh, you know that?
Yeah, after the
fries.
Okay,
alright. Anyway guys, me think gonna figure with props for this week. Outdoor cooking adventure, cause one I fire real wood out the door, you know, stick fire.
Stick.
Yeah, only one of them are cold, one of them are real wood. Oh, by the way, talking, no, big up Papi spearfishing. Guys, you must give your support to some of our Jamaican YouTubers, young, upcoming, NJ, Papi, Russian Adventure, Climber doing so well, J-Bud, Sax, and not to mention Colors doing well too. But you know if you still support it, yeah? You know one of the best way you can support? Like the video
and share if you like it.
Yeah,
if you like it, just put it on your phone, watch it on your phone, and then send the link to somebody else, make them like it too.
Yeah. All that I go now. You ready to come off?
Get ready to swap over.
Alright. We're going to swap over, guys. Swapping over process begin. Here's a, what is it name? Sitting on another leaf, we do a swap over. Banana leaf. You want me to do a swap over?
I'm scared.
Man, they would have used 2 knives. One of these someone. You can draw down to here, so please. Draw down to the end. Yeah. Put on another pot now. And then I'm going to put on the pot for the extra. Yeah, that's how you switch over. Yeah. So let me take out those. You see the first 2 there, we don't taste them.
No.
We've been fair and honest and we haven't tasted them yet. There are plans. Three fish. So I have a feeling that the coal have a waste. Because you see by the time that blaze up and the little excess escovitch sauce done. Not true. And enough coal to have a waste. Anyway, let me put in the fries. And the episode blaze up coming now. My lord, my peeps. Joe, go for the, you know, this is something you use, take out. See me carrot? No, put them in there and lower it in the pot. That's what we did the other day when we fried it. Guys, you have to watch this trick now. Before you make that thing burn you up, lower it into something else. See, smoke, 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 peeps. Yeah, like that. So you lower one lot, could have had first lot of fries gone in, but it could have had to me. But it's alright still, we fry, happy fry. Make you say this what you purpose, happy fry. Ready now, guys, for the escovitch sauce. So, onion and pepper in this scotch bonnet, carrots, 2 different color sweet peppers, and then I'm going to also put sarsen's vinegar. Yeah, and pimento. Pimento, yeah. So, onions in, onion and pepper. Right now. Yeah, you have to go fry the wings out here. Okay. That we're not talking about. Yeah, we're not talking about the wings, not part of this adventure. But the girls want wings, not fish. Alright, the fries now look so bad, it'll go on. Look under the trolley. Need a little salt and a little sugar. So that's what those are there for. So let me go stir it up. Yeah, onion flavors extracted. Can't put all of this pepper in. So time for other stuff. Oh, smoke! I'll kill you. So mix that in with the onion. Then I'm going to add pimento, otherwise known as allspice. Pimento in. Need it to be rapidly frying. So I'm going to leave it and let it do its thing. How beautiful is that? Very hot, handle hot. it well hot for next set. I'll get me for this splash up. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, first set. Let me sprinkle some salt on it. Put it over this. Sprinkle some salt and then we can sample that bit. Get a first taste.
Shake them up, shake them up, shake them up.
Alright.
Delicious.
It's on hot still. We had to swap the flames, guys, so this now is over on the wood fire. The escovitch part of the sauce, and this is a nice vinegar that we found, Sarson's pickle in 15, sorry. So added to the escovitch sauce, and this is a little salt. Hold it up here. And sugar. So add those in, and then just that can just stay there on the fire and simmer. The chips, yeah, okay. Until the chips and bami is ready. Tending to plants in the meantime. What I'm doing is deadheading, cutting off the petals that are going, that are drying down. So every morning or evening I do this job, and it just makes them come up back faster. Time to plate up. Look at that. Somebody did say, don't cover up the fish. I can't see how that is. I don't know like it cover up because it's sucking the flavors. Nice flavors. So how is there? True on the recipe. Alright? Yeah. No. We are using it in one bottle, and then in this week I'm going to buy some more fish. Somewhere, and then we just had not this Parrot. No Parrot. But it look like it will be nice still. Yeah. But we'll see. I will tell you. Some liquid gone from that or just the solid? No, some liquid upon it. Not much. Not much. Show some it? Yeah. Okay, fish soak up here. Soak up the sauce. Alright, time for the bami. Yeah, last thing is bami fried and then we can eat. Word. Yeah. Dinner is served. What do you think, guys?
Bami and fries.
Bami and fries. Bami and fries. Thing to quench the thirst. And escovitch fish. Now watch how we deal with it. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Go, go. Come, Matt, sit out. Boy. Head or tail? Tail. Alright. Thanks. Don't forget to do this. You go and say the breast. Because we might close my eye, you close to you, and then when we open my eye, food gone. Lord, we thank you for this meal that you've provided for us. And we thank you for this table, this feast that is now spread. Lead us and bless us in Jesus' name we pray. Amen. There is a sun God right time and the breeze blowing airy. So we're gonna max this out now and then we're going to do all this stuff. I mean, I remember all this stuff. Max out this and then go down a bit. Yeah. So thank you. Cheers. Cheers. It's been a few years. £1.50. Tastes different? Remember, used to taste. It used to taste more grapefruit. Bambi going in. Yeah. Pickle going in. Bambi. Chips going in. Relax. It was worth the wait. I'll try to close some to see the plate. So this is it. And as to the people who say don't buy what is it? Parrot. It's fine. I have the head, then don't taste no difference yet. Tastes alright. Remind me of when we look at it. Now this mommy used to cook. But still, I want to be enlightened. So tell us what the problem is. We hear a lot of people now saying something about parrot, but we don't know what this is. What the story is. The parrot fish is nice and fleshy. June Johnson. It turned out alright. Look up at this. Tomorrow we'll deal with that, or the other day, or another day after that. You know, when the escovitch sauce is made and then pour on the fish and then it stay after a few days in the fridge. After that, it's nice. Cheers, guys. With the label, with price mark still on it. £1.50. I like. I'm going to name out my favorite, but I'll think the ironies. My favorite. Bami nice. This time we didn't soak it, so dry fried bami. Nice. Fish perfectly fine. Chips taste like how chips taste. Alright, peeps. We'll leave it up and talk to you. even when you feel low, you can still go. That don't mean if you kill yourself, but still
Make
give
the
it a
effort.
go. Some things you think you can do and you can't
Try.
manage, try still.
Especially like this garden this week, last week.
Yeah. Still give it a go. We'll not do the hedging because we don't think we can manage, but maybe we all can manage. We never try. Well,
You have the equipment on your feet.
yeah, we need the proper equipment. We don't wash the paving yet, just time to set up the thing.
Yeah.
And get a chance to wash it and see, and we'll show you.
Thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for the support. Please continue to watch, and we'll always have
Good
lovely
content.
things for you. So until next week's big bad outdoor cooking adventure. Rah. Bye. And I can imagine how many neighbors open their window now looking down on us.
I bet. You have to ask. Tomato, I'm all around. The fish tastes good to me, guys, honestly. It's alright to me.
Even when you feel low, you can still go.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
How beautiful is that?
Yeah.
One petal from my poppy.
Purple and red.
Purple and red.
Yeah.
Lovely, innit?